Hey, welcome to Rows. In this video, we'll be looking at how you could leverage our AI analyst to segment customers based on different data points and gather deeper insights. Let's dive right in. So here I have a sample data set of customers and orders, and the first thing I'm going to do is open our AI analyst and ask it to create a new table with customers labeled by segments based on their purchase behavior and demographics. Hit enter, give it a couple seconds, and the analyst essentially provides us a plan of action with a bunch of different things that it plans to do. Feel free to review this and add any modifications that you feel like you'd need on this plan. And if not, we can just ask it to proceed with this plan. So in this case, I'm going to copy that and just paste it, give it a few more seconds, and there we go. So essentially, the analyst created this nice little data table using Python. In case you're curious, you can always review the Python source code here. And if you understand Python really well, feel free to modify this. And if not, just leave it as is. I'm going to go back to the AI so that we have the panel open here. And we can now ask it to, let's say, summarize customer segments and show a percent breakup. Hit enter, give it a couple more seconds. And there we go. It essentially created this nice little summary table with a segment along with the count and the percentage. The next thing I'm going to do is instead of looking at this table, I'd want to be able to create a chart. So I'm going to just, let's say, ask it to create a chart. Hit enter, and then give it a couple of seconds for it to essentially pick the right chart and just visualize this information. And there you go. That's the customer segment distribution in a pie chart. This looks a little bit more meaningful. So we now know, okay, there's about 32% of our people who are at risk, a couple other percentage of people who are loyal, high value, regular, and so on and so forth. Now let's go back to our customer segments here, and let's dive in a little deeper to say visualize age versus total amount spent, right? And there we have it. So essentially what this tells me is that our younger demographics are spending the most, whereas the older ones perhaps not as much. And that's another insight that we can draw from this data. There's so much more that you can do just by prompting our AI analyst once you have the data in rows. I hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.